In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam birthday verification. If you are stuck on Steam's age check or the page keeps looping back to the birthday prompt, follow along and we'll get you through it quickly and safely. First, when the age gate appears, enter your age manually by choosing a birth year. That clearly shows you are over 18, like 2000 or 2020. The year is what Steam uses to verify that you are an adult for mature store pages and trailers. You are not changing your account's personal information here. This is only for the temporary gate on a specific page. If the month and day are already filled, that's fine. The key is to pick an appropriate year so the page can load the content you are allowed to see. If the gate still doesn't clear, log out of your Steam account and then log back in. This simple step resets your session cookies, which are small pieces of data that can get stuck and cause the verification loop. In the desktop app, use the menu to sign out. Then sign back in normally. On the website, use the account drop-down to log out, then return to the page and try again after signing in. If you are using the Steam app and the page keeps looping, open Steam settings, go to the in-game section and select Delete Web Browser Data. This clears the cache and cookies that Steam's built-in browser uses. Because the store inside the app relies on an embedded browser, stale data there can keep forcing the age prompt even after you've entered a valid year. Deleting that web data gives you a clean slate without affecting your installed games. If the issue still persists inside the desktop app, switch to a regular web browser and log into the Steam website. Browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari often handle the verification more reliably. Just sign in on the web, open the same store page, and complete the age check there. Finally, visit your account details and review your store preferences to make sure your maturity settings allow viewing of adult content. If mature content is blocked in your preferences, some pages won't load even if you pass the age gate. Enabling the relevant categories ensures the store can display what you are eligible to see. That's it. Thanks for watching.